Hey! How are you? Hope you are well. I'm Prince Shojib. Now I will show you some live samples of my work. I have fixed many Google Merchant Center suspension accounts. I have already reapproved many Google Merchant Center suspension accounts. I love to work honestly with my clients. I have confidence with my work. I am ready to help my future clients. I will fix your Google Merchant Center suspension issue, misrepresentation issue, and reactive Merchant Center. If you don't know how to set up and reapprove your Google Merchant Center and Merchant Center suspension for misrepresentation issues, don't worry, I will fix all Google Merchant Center errors and reactive your Google Merchant Center suspension. I know all of the tricks to get approved by your Google Merchant Center with product feeds. I will audit your Merchant Center carefully. Audit Shopify, shop-based store. Evaluate possible causes of suspensions. Fixed misrepresentation issues. Suspended account reactive. Create manual and automatic feed. Solve all of errors from product data feed. Your Merchant Center will be approved within 3 to 5 business days. Feel free contact me via email or WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. I am now showing you screenshots of some successful projects.